Menteri ramba kejelau kandat ke sama ulah pelai paiba ya kikot wat benia haluar ke pateng khasi kentup ya ke jing sumar ya ke mei mariang lingba ke rukom tenrai ke dawai tenrai ke jing sumar tenrai ke syongkha syongman haki emlang salang khasi bat kiwei ke bala tip kum ka research project bala le da ke research and development committee jongka khasils autonomous district council. Hakini kesi la idon langru sembut menteri rang ba kejela ba Presiden Tensang kum sembut kongsan u CM ka KHDC ba penyai sing CM u chairman ba lamprang bla ki executive members ki MDC ki samla puli ki nohikai ki professor ki start wat benya bat kiwe. Hakini kesi menteri rang ba la penbena ba ya kini ki kot wat benya on sabu lut haki library jang barok ki college bat ki university ki badan hapok kejela. Ulang bon satho show menteri katana puli puti kasakau pedeng ban ailat akaban bu no ye ki kattu kat ni ki kot wat benia hagi library jang ki school ba kasakau pedeng namar ki briu kidan kam ban puli ban sangotho bat tip syafang ki imlang salang kirulum ke jela Meghalaya kani ka project jang ka KHDC ke dei ke bala bei pisaling ba ka gran ke ba san paulak na ka office menteri rang ba ka jela da ka jing temu wan penek pensa bat kentiu ya ki riti dustur bat ka culture khasi limba ke jingwat benia da ki riu syampang. Menteri rang ba olapan pau bak sakar jela kelawan rakru ya ke gran banyarap pisa ya ki nawat benya ke bolong lailak tingka ya kita bateri hapok ketenat arts culture hakaba saupau hadu sanpong ngot ki nawat benya kin yo jing mentoi.
First of all, I would like to welcome our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Conrad K. Sangma, who is the chief guest of today's function. Welcome, sir, to this function. Nako akan berpawai kajin I could like pangi Chief Minister ya kajin latua kajin I. Nako benta by sponsor ban fund ini kebasan pulak tingkat. Nako benta kini project kabagile research haki topik kibaper kumang idon kumang nila kot hadu softly ki area of research dalam kita topik. Kerana itu betul ni sukumen menambah kat nyutuli wala berpendat kepada sa lesai kita kambun ingin bahan kini kita yon kita benar benar kisah pendat. Kemudian sebut sa dah kemudian di govern kepada ai yang ada sponsor.
Brief report hakimedai badka research committee. Ya ke research and development committee apa jong education department juga KHDC latung ya ka kadar karib jong benai September arpo arpelai kumula pensau kidon kidokhat kibang ikmat na university na colleges apo jong ka committee kajik temu ba khmat jong ka research and development committee jong ka council kalong niu I bagi semua ya kajing duna jong ki kot hakibede bat ka junot kam kajungi ya po jong ka khasi society kajungi bat nama kata nakaliang ka research committee kelabu hadu katratli ki areas kapakentup nadu kajing lek niam jong khasi ka syongkha syongman ki jakten nanta ki jing stang jong ki kur ki paper to culture karkom senchar khada ki jinge bi karkom bat khandau ki yoshnong kaput katem karwai kasyau kajinghiar patem karkom shna ya kitiar tanrai ka history jong ki rukrang kisem bakiwai kiwai badak dem jong kini khat pratli ki areas nisham badon habru nyop songut ki researchers ki bala apply tenrai namar kakum provision juga budget ngilajet ningkong sau kuingut but hadu mentamene ki bale ya kini ka research ki don kumbar lai pun rungut but kumbal ong dai chairman ki bala submit ya ka final publication ki don khat nyongut khat nyotli Tendai kiwai pada omde bakim pada kilak dah tangba kapor kasyem banyo UISPN number badmita kidang pak pren dengan kermen mahapo jong kini ki kendir sini aklian jong kiru kiyo ya kalat ban submit no ya ki publication ki jong ki.
As research scholars, we are very much indebted to the KHADC through the Education Committee for selecting our names to be part of the great project and important initiatives. As you have entrusted us to take the significant task ahead, hence, on behalf of all research scholars, I would like to state that we have been working very hard for almost a year now, fulfilling the aims and objectives of the project duly prescribed to us by the Research Committee and Research Department. And this is really a happy occasion for all of us today, especially for research scholars, to witness that our sincere effort and hard work is being appreciated and accepted. As far as my knowledge is concerned, this is the first attempt by the KHADC through the Education Department to take this memorable assignment for launching the first ever book project of its kind. I feel that we have to appreciate and recognize this noble but great initiative undertaken by the active and dynamic leadership of the Education Department of the Council. To publish 38 books in one project, I heard that it's 38 or 34 books in one project within the calendar year of the Council is highly commendable and laudable. This is really great. It's very great attempt. Your meaningful and far-sighted vision, significant endeavors, and major undertakings have placed the literary facet of the Khasi community to a higher level. It is not wrong to say that this honorable accomplishment of the Council will be a meaningful blessing to the community of readers, emerging and upcoming research scholars, academicians, and not to forget about its contribution to the wider society and also the Khasi community as well.
Dr. B. Bairo, Dr. D. Dindo, Dr. B. Khaibim, Dr. Rumkhang K. Rimja, Dr. Saralin A. Ludo, Reverend Dr. G. M. Sokhia, Dr. Wandaya Singkwan, Dr. Jacqueline Thaba, and B. Badabiang Nenong, Subha Chakman, Long, Pidari Harsantio,
Balok key members, ngamjel kepeng ni kan kita kapol kibalashim ya kajing kekri bat kajing sokia habide bakani dekam. Bat nadu kabasdang kabalin yo ban ya slok habide bakani kajing dekam. Jong kanika benta kwa ban penkermau ba menshik senam hau benai naitung Julai Iladon kajing kendu kabakerpang bat Chief Minister Jong Kajalajuni Konrad K. Sangma apo Secretariat bat Niwanra Ekanika proposal lani kajing ajimut bangidon kajing tumukum ke Council ban wat benyak lani ban ti benyak khamtam habide baki practices jongi bakher-bakher. Tena kalian ju isa Konrad K. Sangma daka jingkemen
la sodai bat kubur ba kalong kebadan kam hadu kata-kata banle yakni ke project bat nakalian macam habangi penpau ya jing bakum ke district council ngimdan ya ka fund ke babun nama ki babun ki funds ki bangi yo na ko central government ngimla ban penan kam shikiwe bat ki benta like na tang habide ba kinu ki developmental activities but ke fund ke bangdan kum ka council ke babun ke bangi yo ban lum dalage kum ki revenue ni hak ban pek ban seal ya ka tulak iki employees jongi tekan bu jing ladani mang ya ka jing mang tingka ke babun ban penlut ikan research work ya ka council te isutu mi dan kam jing erap na state government ni ya tu chief minister jongi bat na kalian jungi habide bakal di research work kabaku mengila ya so nak ketin lampang jong Dr. KK Nongsit bagi dan khat pratuli ki areas of research ki jingdan kam ki badan kam maha ban wat banyak banti banyak kenang ba kani kapateng ke jungi bat kapateng banwan kan yo jing syai kan yo jing tip haba ki pule ye kene ke jing wat banyak then nakalian jung chief minister laai ya ka council kumbasan pulak nak kementar kanika research work ngaso ban ai ke jing thapti ke bacang nakamta chief minister jung ibadah komisil yang jing sukya habis di bakane kam ila mang yang kata ke jingira bat nakalian jung ru kat kepala resources ibarat dibagidan ke council ila persyang ban yara habis di kani kumbakhatnya teli kini ki research work but kita kumba lai kusau teli but ngikeman skem banang ni shikmat ru ngin yai teng kumi kini ki kam nama kelong kepada kam hadu kata-kata but ngasoban penpau ya kejikeman ya baru ki research scholars ki nongwat punya bahkan ni kedetang kejing sedang kan mempat deh kejingkut teni community ba ngin nang la bandon ke jing dei ke bajan bapi ha ka jing trekam ke jungi nang ba ngin la ban ya teilang ya ke imlang salang ke jungi dekat dakaspa jing tip ba ulong shwa insyaallah hikai hani ke bagi buat adu ke disni
abang pek ye ki kam ki ba ka discoursing ka sisi la train ngala kan seperti mau kan dia Bahari katen jo bagi sisi asdam nadai hajar kat kendai bak kaban sakut no share kadai kawai na ki kamba kamsang di bagi dekot jomla ki badon hamte hati HGC ki lawarna ya gaji telah kempun habden kajinglah KCN nama bos sepor. Mereka ini kajinglah. Hakim ini news nembuna. Kibaki layak berhenti. Ini kesuatan bunsin nipet yang kakmat kejongi. Syakilai teli district council. Nama biji om bapa district council kadai maka kebaan ia kecilnya ia kecilah kejuni kepada nilai teli ijat kejuni garo kasih barjai dia dan keburung ngasosi tentang pek baka expectation jadi baik ba kamlon umbangi community tenore mentangi i jingla kam hapo kake HTC sibun ba ki an kita nun ka bagi lakau baka donru ka jinga tray sunrok lang matni ka sorka kumaraong CN mena Bila kau yang kawai ke standing expert committee Hasilnya bikin pas ya kan nuka beli ke joki ban penulalong kaan. Kadon suah kerja perlu jimut bagi departemen jumi apa sekretariat bat kadis council bat hading kipa ya kapil ke joki kipas apa kain dorbar ke joki bat kebakadu kasoka kapa syaulat ba aset lani approve ya kata kuntai mayo pun ba kian kikanun banang pensken banang pembit banang pembiang banang penjangan susu ya kal kontre kam coba diskause timinde banget makin tendon juga om ba kasorka kakwa ban kini no ya kabor jom ka diskause kata ada bapak ngalih way ubapa ban benek ban pensa ban penklan susu ya kar kontre kam ka diskause nama moyo i de lumba jong kasih sile nilong kumni kumilong ban nangis kenru bengin nang klaim nangis ekman tanpa kasyok hakim nomi keman jong kaying dorbar tauan jadi diskusi kilong kami kilong kepa di kun sama nagarian coba serkan ngapik ya ke DCE ke District Council Affairs idon ke mesin coba jingkikri bangin yetre nagam taban pendek pendian ya ke celah ke jongi tolokoi la kalom haka District Council la kalom hapo ka state government jongi barokawai kule siajan ya ka house coba ke CGC ngai bat opposition bat ruling di trela senrok apa kadon kan kudu bill kadon kan kudu amendment ngai bakadon ke jini trela ngai kule nama kata ya kilai pomot arho kendai elected but iway nominated kibalaya trei mentala campur keten boleh mengku ya pi pada cai penriu jomlu kan kenal ya kicabi kita pro kijompi baro abang apek ya kan kontri kam jom kene ke komiti ke research and development committee hapo ke jinelam jom EEN in charge iba karena sosial rengkat pat kini dikot kiba prok kejabi kiba pit kiba biang kidon handi kat prateli kini timan kiba kam kongsa kawe na kini ki kat prateli niyo pan release kumalai teli lani sauteli kini ki research work kawe ni kita kabasutunan adeka coincidence naman lain yong kadai kani research kabalato da i Ferdinand Lindo Maslong but i Dr. Saralin E. Lindo syakam na kakasnong kabajaja at kakerteng resnong kadai resnong masa tengan niya to detail resnong masa nangakwa bakenti ekekakot sa pulihi Nasib makadon sa haring Amerika anakip sa Asia anakip sa Rusia. Saya boleh yuki kadon hano kali kisnong masa balay ba kini kinong research ito ini. Sibik mana po yung saya pulang nangan niya to. Kung anda pala puli sa phone yung baado prestun plan kani kisnong balay. Kumam tega mga kwa banpong hanggang dalawang kini ki research work kiba kini ki pro jadi kila contribute nan next kali bahkan nan enrich susu ya ke cimpik ke jobi kung kajan beri bat kung kadiskusi kita koi nah kemudian ti om tang kakak KHGC kemudian ti Bagagalo Hills Autonomous Council, Bagachanti Hills Autonomous Council Group, can board and danger. John Kaki HTC.
The leadership, the vision that the Honorable CEM has brought, not just to this program and to the research area, but to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council as a whole. I still remember that afternoon was about a year back, if I'm not wrong, when the Honorable CEM, along with some of the officials and members of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, had come to my office and presented this paper, this project to me, mentioning about this idea of promoting research and knowledge within our society. And it immediately caught my attention. In fact, I even remember suggesting to him that once Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council is able to do this well, we must encourage the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council and the Garo Hills District Council to also follow in the same footsteps. And today, after a year, to finally see it fructify and to see the scholars and to be amongst you and to see the work complete from that day till today, from that idea to actual fructification of the idea and actually holding the books in my hand, is indeed a great sense of satisfaction. I remember discussing with the Honorable Prime Minister regarding different aspects and issues about Northeast, tribal society, Meghalaya state. And in that discussion, Honorable Prime Minister was very particular about the knowledge that is there within the tribal society. I think all of this knowledge needs to be documented. So I really hope that in the coming days, months and years, the seeds that we have sown, the process that we have started of encouraging research and documentation to ensure that we have this entire database of every single aspect of our culture. I hope that this will keep growing in the future. And we really want to promote and push. I will be telling the education department that all these books that have been researched, they must be made compulsorily available in all the libraries of colleges, schools, universities, in our state at least. And I would like to push this even to other parts of the country. We will write to Education Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhanji, requesting him that at least some, if not all, of these books should be procured and kept in the sections which are meant for our tribal society in different parts of the country, because people need to read, people need to understand, people need to know. And this research and hard work that you've put in should bear fruits and result for us, and hopefully it could open a door for even larger research that could take place. I was just talking to my colleague, Baprestone, and he was mentioning about one book that is about one of the villages in his constituency. on how there was this entire family. Am I correct? Babuso? Am I correct about? Talks about the research about generations in the family. So they were like the 5th generation or 6th generation. And from the earlier days, the parents were deaf. And for whatever reason, the entire generation after generation after generation are all deaf. And it's a mystery. How? Is it genetics? Is it DNA? Is it something to do with the environment? We don't know. But I'm just saying that a research has started in that area of what it is. I'm sure that genetic engineers or scientists or whatever you call them will be very keen one day to understand this. So it's not that, so I'm saying that the children after children generations are all deaf. Something is there in this DNA or the genetics which is leading to this, and it could be of great importance at the national and international level. What I'm saying is a small seed that we've sown today, a small thin book that has been written by one of you. I don't know who the writer is. Is it there? The person who wrote this? I think this could start something very big, where some researchers from outside would be very keen to come in and understand what's happening out here. So this is what really it is. I hope we will go from culture, from language, from music, from historic places to overall history of our state. So many areas that we can cover, and I really encourage our young researchers and scholars to please take interest in this, document it, and ensure that this is available for the future generations to utilize in the best possible way. Why shouldn't a Khasi student know few words in Garo? And why shouldn't the Garo students know few words in Khasi? I think it's important for us to make it mandatory up to a certain class level to ensure that both the languages are taught. Maybe up to class 5, maybe up to class 7, 8. I think education department will be in a better position. Of course, challenges are there. We'll need teachers, we'll need trained personnel, we'll need technology, we'll need the courses, so on and so forth. But it's something that I personally feel that we should work towards together to ensure that this happens, because that is the only way for us to ensure that the integration of the state moves forward positively in the right direction, so that we can take the state for which our forefathers, our leaders had struggled for. It's important that we, as responsible leaders and citizens, must keep that together.